Hello, my name's Will and I'd like to introduce you to Castle Howard Garden Centre. We stock a wide range of plants and are quite a traditional garden centre. We also have everything else you need to complete your garden tasks, such as pots, compost, furniture and all the associated garden sundries. Our range of products is enormous. We go from massive Cretan pots to small pots for the average patio. We can sell you large plants as well as small bedding plants and hope to have everything that you would need. We stock a very wide range of roses, including the ever popular David Austin. Our rose list is available to view on the Garden Centre webpage at the Castle Howard website. Here at Castle Howard we have the finest range of quality plants at great prices. We can compete with all other garden centres on price and more so on quality. Approximately 80% of the plants we sell are grown on British nurseries. We do also stock a fine range of seasonal plants from Holland. We also stock a wide range of pet products. We welcome dogs in the garden centre and have a wide range of toys, treats and dog beds available. Our friendly team are always ready to help, so if you've got any gardening questions or want any advice, please come in and ask. Come and see our great range for yourself. We look forward to welcoming you soon.